What do we have here? We are about to go throw some intakes on the M4. First mod on the M4. We have acquired the M4 Competition, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm about to go over to my buddy Samir's shop. We are gonna throw this intake on. Oh, I'm tripping. I thought the trunk was right there. We're about to throw this intake on. First mod of many for this car. It is way too quiet. I have downpipes ready to go on, but not doing that today. But man, this exhaust is just mad quiet. There's like no intake sound, so this should fix it, I hope. But yeah, I'll get some little driving clips as we go. We're just gonna throw this on and call it a day. I'm gonna be honest here. I should have just bought the M4 instead of the Supra. This car, the luxury factor of it is there. The speed right out of the gate is there. And I just think they look better. I mean, the Supra's a cool ass looking car, I'm not gonna lie. But then you get in this thing and it's just like a mature, manly ass car. That's just the best way I can put it. Dude, and it just like slides so easily. Man, this car, I'm still at a loss for words, honestly, that I got one. You know, I didn't think I was gonna make it happen. It's got the carbon bucket seats. I'll show you guys that when I get to my homie's shop, but awesome car. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk. I have arrived before they have. I'm anxious, bro. Pull up. I'm trying to throw these intakes on. Bro has arrived. Side on, working on the other, and then we're wrapping this up. It don't look half bad. All right, moment of truth. Did it work? Oh, I don't know if y'all hear that, but I do. Damn, that sounds pretty freaking good. Oh my God, that shit sounds crazy. Oh, dude, that sounds sick. Dude, wait till this thing's fucking...
It's fucking quiet right now. This is gonna get louder, huh?
Yeah, dude, just having it having no exhaust or whatever done to it.
But it sounds nice. It's like, it's a creeper, bro. You know what I mean?
Well, we did it and it didn't blow up.
It sounds sick.
Dude, yeah.